Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to have some fun and we're going to dip into the new Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star. So as soon as I heard that this was coming out, freaked out. I was like, I need that in my life. So gorgeous. The packaging is everything and just the colors are so pretty. So yeah. So as you guys probably already have realized, I love this palette. I'm so happy I got it. The packaging is beautiful. The colors are so pigmented. There's a large blue color range, which I absolutely love. What's nice is the colors you really don't have to dip into too much. You can lightly dip into it and there's already so much pigment and it's incredible and I really love it and it's so worth the money. But yeah, definitely worth it for the quality. The quality of the shadows are amazing. The packaging is phenomenal. Really, really nice, sturdy. Has a really cute blue silverware here. Love that. But just how everything in this palette was made, you can tell that he actually took the time to make sure every little detail was perfected, which I absolutely love. So for the price of this, I believe it's like 50 something, I want to say. Definitely think that it's worth it for sure. So this is the beautiful Blue Blood palette and this is just what it looks like here. Absolutely stunning. I love all the different shade ranges of blue. There's some nice colors in there that you can use for transition colors too, and some colors that really go along with it. We have some grays in there. We have some neutrals. I really, really love this palette, and I think he did a really good job with the color selection, and the payoff of each shadow is phenomenal. I figured I would do some quick swatches of all the colors just so you guys can see them swatched and not just on my eyes, because I only used a few of the colors on my eyes. So I figured I would swatch all of them for you guys. The lighter shades aren't showing up, but you can see all the darker shades really well. But the pigmentation of all these are phenomenal. It's insane. So I just decided to get a quick little video of the swatches up close just so you guys can see them. Super pigmented, so insane, oh my god, so pretty. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already did my face and then I just did some brows and I cleaned them up and applied a eyelid base. I used the P. Louise base in Rumor. Alright, so it's time to dig in. Ta-da! So pretty, so I'm so excited to play with this, and let's see what look we come out with. Okay, so I'm just taking a Luxie small tapered blending brush, and I'm going to be going into the mint tea color here. Really pretty, soft, mint bluish color. Oh, totally forgot to apply some tape, so I'm just going to apply some Scotch tape real quick so we have a nice crisp line. So I just barely dipped into it and there's already so much pigment on there. And then I'm just going to go in right below my brow and right above my crease for some transition color. It's such a pretty color. I hope it's showing up on camera, but love it. This color is everything. I'm obsessed. It's an light aquamarine color it reminds me of. So pretty. So next I'm going to go in with the color Blue Blood here. So I'm going right under that transition shade, kind of blending it into it, buffing it out. So the colors blend really nicely and they're really full of pigment. All I have to do is really tap into the pan once and I have so much pigment, so that's awesome. Amazing quality. So now I'm just taking a Sigma E40 and I'm just going to blend the colors into each other, blend them out and buff them out just a little bit. So now we're going to be going into this blue shade here. It's called Deceased. We're going to go into the inner corner right below kind of on top of that color that I just applied, but a little lower. For this color, I'm just taking a simple kind of pencil pointed brush from BH Cosmetics. Now I'm just buffing that color out a little bit. So I'm taking the Blue Blood color that I used before, and I'm just going to buff out this shade that I applied and help blend it out. And then I'm just going back into that mint tea color, and I'm going to blend that over top of the blues that I just applied, the darker blues. So next I'm taking this Blue Monday shade, and it's going to be my like defining color for my cut crease that I'm doing. So we're going to really get that right above the crease, and it's going to be very defined, not as diffused as all the other colors. So to place the color in my crease, I'm going to be using this brush from Color Noir. It's their CN162 brush. So now I'm just buffing out the color. Just buffing it out so I get a nice fade. So now I'm just going to apply some P. Louise base to cut the crease. I'm just taking a brush from Alamar. It's a concealer brush. Okay, so I cut the crease, and now I'm going to go on to my other eye. So I'm just going back in with that dark blue shade to just define the crease a little bit more. So I'm going to go back in with that mint tea color, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of it below the crease and kind of fade it down a little bit, but I'm going to keep the lower part lighter, so it's kind of like a transition, like ombre effect. And I'm just going in with a BH Cosmetics kind of like flat shader brush. Okay, so finish the cut crease. Now I'm going to go in and add some liner. I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Love this stuff. Really, really good. And let's hope I don't F this up. Max loves to come and say hi while I'm filming every time. Right, bud? Yeah. And he always laying right next to me. I hate when my lids start to crease. Like, why must you crease? I'm just applying some mascara from Rimmel. It's the Scandalize Wow Wings. It's just what it looks like there. So for lashes, I think I'm going to do these Kiss lashes here. These are in the shade, or the style, garters. Really pretty wispy, like long wispy lashes. I think it'll look really pretty with this look. Okay, so now that I finally have my eyelashes applied, we're going to go into some color on the lower lash line. So now I'm going to take one of my pencil brushes from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to go into that mint tea color and I'm just going to apply some to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go into this Blue Blood shade here and I'm going to apply it on top of that mint tea shade, but a little bit above it here. Yeah. Now I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to go into the Deceased color. So I'm going in with this shade to my lower lash line, very close and precise to the lower lash line. So now I'm going into that Blue Moon shade really close to my lash line, a little bit over top of the lash shade that I used. Now I'm going to go in with this jumbo liner from NYX in the shade Cottage Cheese. So now I'm just going to go and apply some mascara to my lower lash line. So now I'm just going to apply some of the shade Colonin, this shade here, and I'm going to apply it and pop some into the inner corner of my eye as well as my brow bone. So next I'm just taking this Glitter Goals Glitter Squad in Glacier from NYX. It's just what it looks like here. And I'm going to be taking this color here and then I'm just going to be popping it to my inner corner of my eyes. So yeah. So I popped some glitter in the inner corner. I really like how it turned out. So now it's time for some lips. I decided on YSOTP from Jeffree Star. Really pretty blue shade. I think it'll look really good with this look. So yeah. So now I'm just going to set my makeup. I'm using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting makeup spray. So yeah. This setting spray smells so good. I'm gonna have to use this more and see how I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little like review / tutorial. I had a lot of fun playing with this palette and creating this look. I'm really excited with how it turned out. And until my next one, bye!